They say I'm heartless, I don't feel pain. Walk through the fire, dance in the rain. Used to love deep, now I move cold. Too many promises never told. I gave my heart, they played their part. Smiled in my face, tore me apart. Now I'm quiet, I don't explain. Real men heal, but we don't complain.
They don't know the nights I cried alone. They don't know the weight I've grown. Built these walls out of survival, turn my scars into revival.
I'm not heartless, I'm just guarded. Love made me strong and broken hearted. I move like a king, I stand regardless. They call me cold, but I'm just scarred, yeah. Heart of a lion, soul of a fighter. Pain made me wiser, made me brighter. I'm not heartless, I'm just smarter. Now I protect my heart harder.
African man with pride inside. We don't fold, we just survive. Carry my family on my back. Never had space to just relax.
They see the silence, call it ego. They don't see the battles we know. If I don't text, if I don't chase, it's not hate, I just know my place.
I learned love ain't just sweet words. Sometimes actions hurt the worst. So if I step back, understand, I still feel I'm just a man.
I'm not heartless, I'm just guarded. Love made me strong and broken hearted. I move like a king, I stand regardless. They call me cold, but I'm just scarred, yeah. Heart of a lion, soul of a fighter. Pain made me wiser, made me brighter. I'm not heartless, I'm just smarter. Now I protect my heart harder.
Heartless? Nah, I just learned the hard way. A king doesn't beg, he builds that.